Good morning, blue and red team. I hope everybody is having a fantastic Tuesday so far. I'm starting off on the same page that I always start off on so that you guys know how to kind of navigate yourselves and your way around one of the most important websites. This is our class website. This is kind of like where you're going to find everything that you need. This is to go to. So I know that I say that every morning, but I want to really stress that you guys need to take a look at the website. Everything that you need to know, any assignment that you need to complete, how to complete it, everything is going to be on here for you. Follow this agenda and you guys should be okay. Great, so we're gonna start off where we always do on our homepage. Okay, Miss Fonseca and Miss Science. You have any websites that you need for reading. You have your Wonders, your ReadWorks, iReady, and Mayan. For math, science, and social studies, you guys have your shortcuts here. Okay, if anybody for whatever reason needs an interventionist, that's Miss Deverona or Miss Hudia, you can go ahead and click here to visit Miss Deverona's and Miss Hudia's website, and you guys could go ahead and get any help if you feel that you need it. Of course, remember that Miss Science and myself are here in case you guys do. So we're gonna go to today, which is Tuesday, April 14th. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at our agenda for today. So I thought that I can go ahead and keep it as simple as possible today, only because I want you guys to go ahead and number one, have a little bit of a break. I want you guys to definitely catch up on anything that you guys have not turned in as of yet. So please make sure that you're looking back at your Google Classroom and see what you're missing, what you have not turned in, and work on it little by little and then start turning it in. I'm going to be updating gradebook throughout this week, and many assignments that have not been turned in are going to be going in as zeros, so make sure you guys go ahead and keep that in mind. So as usual, you guys have your checklist for today. This is what you guys are going to be doing today. Blue team, your schedule is on here. Let's see. So last week, I went ahead and I recorded a bunch of videos for sequence text structure to kind of introduce it to you guys. And I also went ahead and I recorded a few context clues videos as well. So I know that yesterday we most of us got together and we were able to review a sequence text structure and a context clue lesson together. So if you need a little bit of a refresher, you can click on any of these videos and it'll take you to last week's videos for you guys to go ahead and review. You're gonna go ahead and click here for this video. Okay, so for today, this is what you guys have to do. You're going to make sure that you complete your attendance. Make sure that it's in by 9:30. Anything that is not submitted by 10 o'clock is going to be submitted either absent or it's going to be unexcused tardy. So please make sure that you submit attendance by 9:30 every morning and make sure that you watch this video. Second thing on your agenda, you're going to go ahead and log into ReadWorks. You're going to complete today's book of knowledge, article number 5, and that is Weather and Climate, a Dangerous Dust Storm. You are going to type 2 to 3 facts you learned. You don't have a question this week, okay? Don't forget to submit. So I repeat, you do not have a question to answer. I'm keeping it simple this week. You guys are just going to go ahead and type in 2 to 3 facts that you learned from the article. Don't forget to submit. By the end of today, you guys should have a total of 5 entries, and if you don't, remember I'm counting off points, so make sure that you have and you catch up on your ReadWorks. Now, next thing on your agenda, you're going to go ahead and click here to practice your vocabulary words for our quiz on Thursday. And you're just simply going to practice, okay? It's little flashcards that you guys can go ahead and use to review. Just go through them, okay? You can go ahead and click to see the term. It'll go ahead and turn it around for you. You can go ahead and go from one word to the other. Very simple. Just make sure you guys are studying that. Your next item, you're going to complete your context clue practice. That is a Google form assigned on Google Classroom. Make sure that you complete it and that you go ahead and submit. that is the same as every other Google Form assignment that you guys have been doing since we started, even from the beginning of the school year. Okay, your next assignment is going to be to begin writing your emoji story. This is going to be due Friday, and this is going to be a quiz grade, and that has been assigned to you as well. Have fun with it. I thought it would be something cute. Just make sure that you follow the rubric because it is going to be graded as a quiz grade for writing. This is the type of writing that you're going to be doing. If you open it, don't start stressing out when you hear writing. It's not an essay, it's a fun activity, and you have all the way through to Friday to complete it. Okay, blue team only. Blue team, you have PE today. Don't forget to check Coach Chavez's Google Classroom. You guys have to finish those assignments. Okay, and then red team only. That's my PM group. You guys have art today, so please make sure that you check Miss Friedel's Google Classroom for your art assignment so you guys can go ahead and work on those little by little and not last minute. And then last but not least, do not forget to check Miss Science's website for today's math, science, and or social studies assignments. And don't forget to go ahead and turn them in. So I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know, be on the lookout for our novel study. So I am in the process of recording the next 5 chapters for the Wild Robot, since those chapters are short. And I'm also in the process of recording the next chapter for Fever 1793. So that you guys can go ahead and listen to it, and it's something that we can do for now to start something fun where you could just go ahead and kind of end your day like that, so you can listen to me read the chapters. And I'm also going to project the pages on the screen so you guys can follow along. So be on the lookout for that. Okay, hopefully I could go ahead and start that a little bit later this week. If we don't start it this week, definitely next week. But today should be a short day. You should have fun with that emoji story. Make sure that you finish your stuff so that you can go ahead and catch up on anything you need to catch up on, because I think we all need just a little bit of a break. So our parents included. So I think just doing this to kind of practice just a context clue and having something fun to do like that emoji story would give us all a very nice break. So again, if you guys need anything, you know where to find me. I'll be on Google Hangouts. Go ahead and message me. If you need me to call you, I'll call you. We can go ahead and video chat, and you guys know where to find me. So I hope everybody has a fantastic Tuesday. Love you guys, and I miss you all. Bye.